Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us on our weekly live Instagram videos that we host every Wednesday at 12:30 sharp here on our Aveda Institute Winnipeg Instagram page. And if you cannot make the call, please do not worry, we also post the videos to YouTube as well. So my name is Tina DiBartolo and I'm the admissions manager here at Aveda Institute Winnipeg. And this week we have kind of a fun video for you guys. We are going to be doing a student kit unboxing. So you'll be able to see everything that our students get in their amazing kit, the professional quality of it all, and how much stuff they actually do receive. So let's jump in right away. One of the greatest things about this kit is the students now get an Apple iPad. As you can see, it's a full-size iPad. Absolutely fabulous. And we just decided, because of so much of the curriculum is done online, that this would be really beneficial towards their education. The students also receive and pardon me, it's really heavy, a full set of the Pivot Point textbooks. So these are all individual now and wonderful education. Now in the kit, the students will receive an FHI blow dryer. And let me just see if I can open up the box for you to see everything that's in it. Excellent. So it comes with a diffuser as well. There is a Babyliss 1-inch curling iron and an FHI 1 1/4 inch curling iron. So they get not one, but 2 curling irons in their kit. They will also receive an FHI flat iron and a wall clipper kit. So this is a duo. They're going to receive the Hero and the Legend. So the Hero is a little bit smaller of a clipper. You can see everything that's in there. And then also the Legend. So they get 2 clippers in their kit. Now, they will also receive 2 sets of shoes. One set is going to be their learning set, and one set is their professional set. So this is to learn on while their hands are learning that muscle memory. We don't want them dropping their professional set, so they're going to start off learning on this one. Then the Kashi set, which is extremely professional, very prestigious. You can see everything that they get, and it's also in a fabulous little carrying case, and it comes with a warranty as well. Now, there are so many picks, combs, and brushes in this kit that I'm not going to go through them individually, but I'm just going to pull out the millions of them that are in here. You see more brushes. I'm not even kidding, there's more in here. More. Let's see. Now, they're also going to receive their straight blade and some blades with it. A Babyliss apron. More brushes. A neck duster brush. Now we have our sectioning clips here. So they get the expandable ones in both the large and the smaller size. I've got quite the pile going on here right now. They get more hair clips, a Babyliss spray bottle, more hair clips. This is their Babyliss timer. Now this always feels weird, pulling mannequin heads out of a box, but they will receive 4 of the mannequin heads. So this is our blonde one. You can see here. And they receive the brunettes as well. Yeah. All right, what else do we got in here? Reusable latex gloves. More brushes, more combs, teasing brush, more picks and combs. You can see how many is in here. They literally get everything that they are going to need in their professional career, and it's absolutely incredible. So they are also going to receive a Babyliss full-size professional mirror. And you can't really tell what's in this box, but it is a full set of magnetic rods, as well as their mannequin stand, which again is just in the box here. So you can absolutely see how much stuff they get, the value that's in it, and the professional quality that we make sure that all of the equipment is in and all of their tools. So it's not like once you graduate, you're going to need to go out and upgrade all your tools. These are professional quality. So to see the kit in real life, please book an appointment to come down and meet with me. You can reach me at 204-293-3906 or on my email, tina@avedainstitutewinnipeg.ca. Thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you all again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.